Learn how to change your Facebook name with this easy-to-follow tutorial. Whether you're rebranding, updating your personal information, or simply want a new identity, we've got you covered. Before going through the video, please note that Facebook has restrictions on how often you can change your name. Typically, you can only change it once every 60 days. First, open your Facebook account and then click on Profile icon at the top right corner. Then scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy option. Next, click on Settings. Under Account Center, choose See More in Account Center. Next, click on Profile. Then click on your username. Next, click on Name. Then you can change first name, middle name and last name, and then click on Review Changes. After reviewing, click on Save Changes. Please note this information related to Facebook regarding name. Here you can see symbols, numbers, unusual capitalization, repeating characters or punctuation are not allowed. Characters from multiple languages are not allowed, and you can read more from here. Also, I will provide the link to these description. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you.